doctor and parents, this is Vishnu Kansim. Welcome to in Admission Media. Today we're going to discuss about some major points regarding your NEET PG 2023 counseling. I know there are multiple of the rumors that NEET PG counseling not going to start in July. It will be somewhere around August itself. Now in this video we're going to discuss about when your NEET PG 23 counseling can begin. First point. Second, what's the latest update regarding your NMC bill implementation? What is happening in the states of India regarding your PG seats plus NMC bill as well as the fees increment? We gonna discuss about Andhra, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, UP, Bihar, Karnataka, MP, Maharashtra. I mean major of the states of India will be covered in this video. As well as we gonna discuss about the latest notification published by NMC right today itself, that how many colleges inspection is going and what are the latest update regarding that. Fourth point, we're gonna discuss about the what gonna happen with your seat matrix, that is in this session how much seats gonna be increased or is there any possibilities of decrement of seat also. As well as we're gonna discuss about the fifth point, the major point, what will be the shift in NEET PG 23 counseling, whether it will be positive shift or it will be a negative shift. What's our point on that, what's our stand out, and we're gonna clear in this video. So before that, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए और आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जरूर सब्सक्राइब करके रखें, बिकॉज वॉट एवर द लेटेस्ट अपडेट रिगार्डिंग योर NEET PG 23 काउंसलिंग विल बी continuously shared on this channel, that is YouTube channel Admission Media. As well as do join our Telegram channel Admission Media and you can discuss your points and everything from there itself. As well as if you're looking for a low budget management seat or NRI seat, or if you get eligibility after this revised cutoff, then what can be the budget for you and as per your branch. For these all details you can discuss on the number given below, as well as you can avail our paid counseling guidance at our website admissionmedia.in. So first we're going to start with the seat matrix as well as the fee structure. The latest notification published by NMC right today, in which it has been clearly mentioned that they have received a notification or they have received the update to for the increment of seat or for institutes and everything. Around 2828 colleges had requested them for their verification and everything. Out of them only 1800 plus has been verified till now. Rest of the approval is still in pending. As well as it has been already mentioned that they are planning to start your counseling as soon as possible. That's why it might be chances that the remaining 1000 approvals can be rejected as well as for your PG 23, which means simply the seat matrices which are continuously shown on your NMC website and the people who are continuously claiming that this much seat has been increased XYZ, there might be possibilities that those seats gonna decrease also. It has been clearly mentioned in the website, I mean the notification of NMC. I'm not saying anything, the notification is present in our Telegram as well as NMC website, you can view it. Second point, your NEET PG 23 counseling when can begin. As we have already said multiple of the times, even in the past 2 to 3 months, we are continuously saying most probable chances is that tentatively within 15 days your notification can come up. Yes, your notification can come up at any time soon as per the latest update, as per the rumors continuously going inside the NMC and as per our official sources as well. Possibilities are there this month end or very soon your NMC, I mean NEET PG 23 counseling can begin, as we have already said. Third point is your whether it will be a positive shift or negative shift in the counseling. Before that, I would like to discuss on the NMC bill. What's the latest update on NMC bill? On the NMC bill, not all states gonna cover up. I mean multiple of the states in South India, there is already not exactly NMC bill. 30 to 40% seats are already reserved under the government quota seat, even in the private as well as deemed universities. A big news can be from Karnataka also that there can be possibilities as 50%, already approximately 40% seats are in government quota. Might be this year 10% increment can also be shown and 50% private quota seats can come under the government quota, and this means your open quota seats will be decreased as we have already told. Second notification is from Tamil Nadu. Already Tamil Nadu has been cleared that around 400 seats of PG will be filled as per the government seats in Tamil Nadu. Second big one, Bihar, which has already cleared that NMC bill, everything will be there. The fees has to be set by the fees fixation committee. Even the last year itself, Bihar private colleges has clearly mentioned that if government or if the body is gonna put up the 50% seats, the whatever the fees will be decreased, they're gonna add on the remaining seats up there. Bihar is already clear. MP, the thing is already High Court, there is no update. But Andhra, the Andhra and Telangana, the fees fixation going to be increased. Pondicherry, the fees increment must be seen because in UG from the 15 fees of 16, they has increased to somewhere around 20 to 21. So similarly, they're gonna increase in PG also. Third point, the major point about Rajasthan, the already we all know that there is already a semi-government seat, that is even in the private colleges there are some seats which gonna fill on the government seat fees also, which is already a rule. So big news is from UP. Till now UP has already discussing on the table talks. Even there was a notification, they have asked all the colleges of UP, the private colleges of UP, to submit their accounts related the fees and C and everything. The things has been clearly, but the mismatching has happened. One or two colleges has given the data in a mixed match way. That's why UP is taking much longer time than what is expected. Till now, we are expecting some big notification can come up from UP, but UP is already on the table talk. Possibilities what can be there is high that in UP NMC bill can also be there. I am not saying it's a prediction, but major of the states, there will be some states in India where NMC bill will be shown in your NEET PG 23 counseling. So it gonna give a huge impact on your counseling as well as your seat matrix and choice filling thing. Maharashtra is already a closed state, so there won't be any much differences, but seat increment will be shown in Maharashtra also. Now if I talk about whether there will be a positive shift or negative shift in the counseling. In the INI July session, we have already seen there is a negative shift. Now I am sure multiple people gonna agree with us that those people who are going in INI, they will be also coming in PG. The NEET PG counseling has not been begun. That's why we have seen a negative impact in the INI counseling. Believe me, there is nothing like that. Those people who are preparing for INI are very limited people are also in the same of PG, because both patterns are completely different. There are multiple of the examples I can give you. Those people who have performed very bad in NEET PG, but they have achieved under 50 or under 100 rank in INI. So it's not like that. Those people who are going very good in INI can perform in very good in NEET PG also. At the same time, those people who are very good in your NEET PG 23, it doesn't mean they will be very good rank holder in INI also. So in INI, and there is again a big point, even if you getting an anesthesia, ENT or opthal or pedia, you will be choosing it over the anesthesia of INI if you don't have a proper setup for yourself, or if you don't planning for a higher clinical branches like radio, derma, medicine or gynae or pedia in some cases, or your whole family is group of doctors. If these things are not happening on you, you will be choosing INI anesthesia over anesthesia or pedia or even pedia of the NEET PG or the government colleges or even over the private colleges, because I have already explained you. So in NEET PG 23, the shift on the counseling will totally depend upon two factors. First one is this, how many seat increment is there. I have already told you the seat increment will be there. From what happened in NEET PG 23, your seats gonna be increased, but the official number is not clear out yet. But we are expecting somewhere around 3,000 to 5,000 seats will be increased up since the last year. Above that is not possible, because already there is more than 1,000 institutes approval is pending, and NMC is not ready to, because they have to start your counseling very soon, as they have already mentioned in your notification which has been published today. So shift of the counseling, second point, will depend upon the next curriculum, that when your next gonna be happen. The notification of next. If your notification of next or the NEET PG also will be declared a way before your counseling or before the mop-up round or the second round of counseling, then there will be a huge positive shift even compared to the last year. But on the other hand, if there is no increment, if there is no notification from government that whether they're gonna be taking only NEET or next or only next, the total seat matrix or the total shift of counseling depend upon this point, what's gonna happen in the counseling or what's gonna happen in PG 24, that it will be NEET, next, NEET or next or only next, it will be deciding factor for your shift in the counseling. If the notification will be like this, there will be only next, believe me, there will be a huge negative shift, and you can also agree with me that why I am saying this. So if you're looking for a counseling guidance and if you are planning your counseling as per the NMC websites, seat matrix available till now, believe me, you have to review your seats and everything from now onwards, because your hectic schedule is going to be start very soon. In this counseling, it is expected that you won't be having a much time to calculate and do your analysis, because whatever the rounds or the time or the gap between the rounds is very limited, and it is expected your counseling can sum up within 2 to 3 months also. So be ready for a hectic schedule, and your NEET PG 23 counseling schedule can come up at anytime soon. And even your new scorecard, I mean the category scorecard plus your all India is 50% scorecard will be displayed from the 28th of June. I mean the new scorecard will be published, because till now your category rank has not been mentioned in your scorecard, but now in the new scorecard it will be mentioned, and that will be available from 28th of the June. So it simply means be ready for the hectic schedule, be prepared, because you won't be having a much time for the things, and your counseling will be beginning very soon. And it is clear it won't be happening in August. If there won't be any court case from Supreme Court or High Court or any court case, if not approved in between them, your counseling will be happening very soon. So be ready for that. And if you're looking for a paid counseling guidance, you can contact me on the given number below, that is 9545955519. As well as for paid counseling guidance, you can also visit our website admissionmedia.in, and you can avail our packages from there and make your payment from website itself. As well as do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Telegram channel Admission Media, and as well as do follow us on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video.